So Thuan, as a loan officer, I joined Loan Factory. What are you specifically offering us that's different than other mortgage companies and brokers out there?
I myself, as the top loan officers in the country, I know what you are facing, what problem you are dealing with right now. And what I offer is to solve all of your problem so that you can focus on what is the most important task, which is going out there, build the network, build up the business, build up the customer base, focus on building a relationship with your clients, right? Everything else, we will take care for you. We don't want you to suffer doing something that will not bring you more business. So from having the best technology, the LOS, POS, pricing engine, make sure everything work together seamlessly. You don't have to pay for it. Technology is so wonderful that it even solves many problems that you are facing right now. And it's free to you. It's free. And we also bring you one of the best pricing in the industry because of our special relationship to the lenders. We have good pricing. We have no EPO. We have a free extension. We have so many great benefits to give it to you by just joining Loan Factory. Beside that, we handle processing for you. You don't have to worry about the loan will be delayed or if any problem with it, because we have the experience to close thousands of transactions. We can scale for you. At the same time, we offer you a free loan officer assistant, free LOA. And with all the support that we have, we can free up your time, free up so that you can focus on what is matter most to you, which is focus on growing your production. This is what makes us different than many other brokers out there.